the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today?
Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Today we're on Vlogmas day 9 and I have the cutest DIY in store for you. I have really took on a liking to the tinsel Christmas trees. I have been seeing a lot of those type of Christmas trees in stores, and I really wanted to get my hands and create one myself. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make those fabulous tinsel Christmas trees in the store that you see everywhere, because just about every store have those trees for an affordable price, and it's going to be fast, easy, and simple. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this quick and easy DIY.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday.
Hello everyone, I am Tay of Uneatly Tae. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video on today. I do DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you are in the right place. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video.
Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
All the items that I'm using in today's DIY are from Dollar Tree. It's going to take you about 2 packs of Garland to complete 1 party hat to create your tree. So if you're doing 2 party hats, you're going to need 4 packs of the Garland.
We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, oh. Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday.
Now is the time where you check through your tree and make sure there's not any gaps or any places that need to be filled with more garland. So pretty much I'm going through the tree, double checking, making sure the whole tree is very thick and there's none of that party hat showing.
It's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill.
Now I'm getting ready to decorate my star that goes on top of my tree. I am using my Totally Dazzle gems, and I'm gonna just take the back off because it has like a clip on the back, and I'm gonna hot glue it to the star.
Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
I'm going to use my Dollar Tree clear diamond gems to decorate the tree and to resemble ornaments.
It's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire chill. Making our Christmas memories.
Well, I'm all for Christmas.
I love how my Christmas tree came out. It is so pretty. I love all the sparkle, the glam. I love every aspect of this tree, and it goes with the whole concept of our living room area with our tree and our mantle, and it looks so good. All right, thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy, and I see you guys in my next video.
These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.